a lot of people, they are not willing to pay maintenance fees in Malaysia. Because we don't have the mindset of maintenance fees. It's like, why don't you pay a maintenance fee? And this thought came from, because we mostly stay in landed houses. Like for you in KL, you stay in landed houses, individual title. There is no security guard needed previously. You don't have to seek for approval from your management when you want to do renovation and etc. So there is no one to control you. It's not stratified. But in Singapore, right, I think everything is stratified. And because of the mentality that they know the building facade on how it looks like, right, it also affects the property value. So that's why I think in KL, there are a lot of places that requires maintenance fees now for landed properties as well. For me, I think it's the way to go moving forward, because you won't have you will lessen the quarrel like within your neighbors. Oh, this car park is this place I bought I bought this house, so the empty space in front of me technically should be my car park space, but it's not. So if with a stratified property, I think this issue will be, reduce a lot. But if you park under people's place, last time you have to directly, like, there is no intermediary person. You have to directly go and tell your neighbor off, then, it's not good law. Fight or quarrel lor. But if there is a management now, then you will go and tell them, hey, this one, you can complain to them that someone parked at my place, blah, 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 and etc. So at least, have someone to solve it for you lah. That's what I see lah.